Audimute provides sound management solutions that are easy, green, and affordable. After correctly treating your space with Audimute, whether through sound absorption, sound blocking, or a mix of both, we guarantee you will love what you hear, or do not hear. In this video, I'll show you how to install Audimute Strata, which is an effective sound absorption solution that comes in several styles. An Audimute Strata wall is made up of pieces in multiple sizes that can be cut as needed for an exact fit. To install, you'll just need our included Audimute Strata Tape and a construction-grade adhesive, such as Loctite Power Grab Express Heavy Duty, which can be purchased on audimute.com or your local hardware store. You may need a snap-off retractable utility knife and a T-squared to cut the pieces if needed. Start with the double-sided tape. Apply the tape vertically to the wall, about 9 to 16 inches apart. The tape is used to temporarily hold the pieces in place until the adhesive thoroughly dries. Then work a small area at a time, starting from the lowest row so you have time to handle each piece before the adhesive begins to dry. Work your way up the wall to the top and you're done. Also included with your order will be a paint touch-up kit that can be used to cover any nicks that may occur. If you would like free sound advice, have any questions about our products, installation methods, or optimal coverage, please reach out to us via email, chat on audimute.com, or call 866-505-MUTE. Please be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.